Hello there. Didn't see you there. Yeah, you like crusty old pieces of shit just like me? Well, guess what, motherfucker? You come to the right place. Rust, rust, rust. Oh, look. Rust, oh, look. Rust. What's that? You want some rust, rust, rust? It's all rust. Hey up. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a video for my piece of shit S13. So, as you can see, it's not the cleanest of cars, but still, you wouldn't be right clean after sitting for 16 years in a barn, would you? It'll get there though. I want to just say before we get into this video properly, I want to say thank you to Cami Black. I'll drop his links down below so you can go and check out his channel and check out his wonderful Datsun 620 build. We don't actually know each other as such, me and Cami, but you know, he bought a set of wheels off me and we just carried on chatting from there. Top guy. So yeah, thank you very much, Cami, for the inspiration for me finally cracking on with YouTube. So yeah, here she is in all her glory. My piece of shit S13. Needs a lot of work, as you can see. But, you know, there's much worse out there. Probably on the road as well. But yeah, the neighbours love this. You know, just a random car out on the drive, sat on its side. I want to get it cleaned up. It's absolutely filthy. I've already cleaned a bit of it out. A lot of the sound deadening was all over the place, all in the pockets and everything. Got all that out. There's a lot of sawdust from a previous project while it was in the garage. But yeah, it's just really dusty, especially from when we sanded the underneath, got it down to bare metal. So I'm going to do that, get it all cleaned up, and we'll see where we sit. It's nice to have it out in the daylight and you can actually see what's going on with it. Yeah. Fucking neighbours love this shit. So that's that. It's all hoovered out. Much cleaner. No more sawdust. Next up, I'm gonna get the compressor on it, blow a bit of dirt off, and then we'll probably give it a wash, which is probably a bit risky since it's bare metal. I've covered up what I can find. There's a bit there, but like I'll cross that bridge when I come to it. I just want to get it clean. It's very fucking dusty, very dirty, very grimy. Sick. I'll drop this my fucking time lapse, I think. Probably about to get the other cars dirty, but you know, be fine. Phone caked, that's me caked. She wiped off a bit. I'm gonna give her a bath, I think. Time for a wash. So we'll crack out the snow foam. Can I switch this fucking thing? No? But takes a picture. What a dick. But yeah. Mint. It's going to be a bit of a slow burn project, so there's probably not going to be all that much content coming out either way. I'll probably fill it in with a bit of the E46 drift car, so if you want to check that out as well, feel free to come back. Any questions you got about the S13, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm also going to re-upload a couple of videos that are very fucking cringe, and it was back when we first picked this car up. So you can see what kind of state she was in, where she was sat, get a bit more detail from that. That's it, she's all tucked away again now, let her dry off nicely. I know it wasn't much of a video like, but it is an intro nonetheless. I'll say, if there's anything else you want to know about this car, feel free to drop a comment down below, let me know. Obviously liking, subscribing and all that bullshit will be much appreciated. But yeah, looking like actually fucking red now. Amazing. But yeah, as I say, I think next video we'll dive into E46, give you a quick sneak peek. Need to try and get that back together and get it back on the road, get it back on the drift track more than anything. Yeah, it's not a piece of shit. It's been sat here for 2 years like this. All the power. Yeah, weapon. Yeah, we'll dive into that next time. And then we'll try and get a bit of progress done on this at some point. I think we'll just try and get everything clean right back. Get it all looking nice underneath. Sweet. Before I babble on, let's fucking end it. Peace out, motherfuckers.